Good evening, guys. So in this sessions, we can start with 14 marks question. So yeah, the first I'll be starting with. So as in, hope you people know, there are two methods: amalgamation in the nature of merger and amalgamation in the nature of purchase. So first, I'll be starting with amalgamation in the nature of merger. Okay. Now, before that, you need to know the condition. In case if merger means, you need to take all the assets and liabilities. Okay, whether it is profit or shareholder fund or assets, normal assets or outsiders liability, you need to take all the liabilities at book value. Okay. Now, so here they are telling that, so you can no need of looking after this, you can directly go with your adjustment. P limited take over the S limited. So here P limited is purchasing company, S limited is liquidating company, you need to remember. So P limited will become purchasing company. Okay, so discharge of purchase consideration as below. So here they discharge the purchase consideration, we need to calculate under net payment method. So they are telling that issue 35,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par to the equity shareholders of S Limited. So by taking that is S Limited, there are 3 lakh of 10. So they're instead of they're taking back and they're giving 35,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and issued 15% shares of rupees 100 each to discharge the preference shareholders of S Limited, sorry, P Limited, S Limited at 10% premium. So now first we need to calculate how many shares. So they're telling that 100 each to discharge of. Now first you need to calculate number of shares. So 1,70,000 divided by 10 rupees, 100, you will get 170 something. Okay, so 1,700,000. So if you add 10% premium, so that will become 110 rupees or something, you need to calculate. Okay, now the debentures of S Limited will be converted into equivalent number of debentures of, that is discharge of debenture holders. But in previous sessions I was telling that any payment made for debenture holders you should not consider. Okay, now the statutory reserves export reserve method is maintained for 3 years, you can take because it is nature of merger. Okay, now first you need to calculate purchase consideration, that is they're telling that 35,000 equity shares of rupees 10. Okay, next 1,870 preference shares of rupees 100 each. That is how you got this in this sense. For example, for 1,70,000 it is there. For that, if you add 10%, you will get 1,70,000. Okay, 1,70,000. So we can take 1,70,000. For this you need to add 10%, so you will get 17,000. Okay, so total it will become 1,87,000. So 1,87,000 divided by face value is 100. So we will get 1,870. So 1,870 preference shares of rupees 100 each, you will get 1,87,000. So total purchase consideration is 5,37,000. Okay, so here you can check with last adjustment. You are required to show the journal entries and balance sheet in the books of P Limited. P Limited is purchasing company. So always you need to know liquidating company and purchasing company. When they are asking us to prepare books of accounts in liquidate company, you need to go step number 1, 2, 3. When they are asking us to prepare the books of accounts in the purchasing company, you need to follow step number 1, step number 2, step number 4. Okay. No, so we need to directly go for step number 4, that is you need to pass journal entries and you need to prepare balance sheet. So the first entry will be business purchase account data to liquidators S Limited, liquidators of S Limited account, that is liquidating company. So we need to take purchase consideration. Second entry, as it is in the nature of merger, you need to take all the assets. In this sense, for example, landed building 2,50,000 plus 1,55,000, plant and machinery to 3,25,000 plus 1,70,000, furnitures and fitting 57,500 into 35. Like this you need to take. So plus you need to take all the assets. So leave one line, I will explain how it came. Okay, next 2 here. So you can check with you need to take all your liabilities. Okay, except shareholders. So you can check here. They have taken 13% debentures. Current liability is export profit, investment is profit and loss account. So you should not take debentures and preference shareholders and equity shareholders, because for them we are giving separate payment. Okay, now so last, this business purchase account is nothing but your purchase consideration 5,37,000. Now you need to check if credit side is more, debit side is less. Okay, in case of merger, even though if it debit side is less or credit side less, always we will take it as general reserve. But when credit side is more, debit side is less, in case of merger we will consider as capital loss. In case if the debit side is more, credit side is less, we will consider general reserve, capital profit. But in case of, in the nature of purchase, if debit side is less, we will consider as goodwill. If credit side is less, we will consider as capital reserve. So I will explain later. Now in this question, credit side is more, debit side is less, so we need to consider as general reserve. Okay, next we need to take the discharge of purchase consideration. So they are giving in the form of equity shares and preference shares. So liquidators of S Limited account data to equity shares, preference share capital account. So you can copy this 3,50,000 plus 1,75,000 to here. Next 1,87,000 to there. Last one, they are paying debentures, so 35,000 you can take as it is. If this adjustment is not there, you can consider here only. Okay, now directly need to go for balance sheet. Okay, but so you have general reserve account, just take general reserves of P Limited. Okay, that is, so you can check general reserves of P Limited is 50,000. Okay, this general reserve, another you have taken already, so this general reserves you need to take, and you need to deduct the loss which you are getting. So 50,000 minus 42,000, 8,000 you need to take. Okay, so remaining thing 85,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. How you are getting this? 8,50,000. You need to consider 5 lakh of P Limited, that is purchasing company, and liquidate company new shares 3,50,000 you need to consider. Next preference shares, so you can check with your 2,20,000 plus 1,87,000. So here only you can find 2,20,000 plus 1,87,000. Next reserves and surplus, you need to add both the companies and you need to take. Okay, in the same way assets also need to take, add, and you need to take total. Okay, thank you.